Hey guys, I'm Shannon Broussard, chapter organizer for Acadiana FPV. We're here deep in the bayou for the Mayhem 200. Let's go check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second annual Mayhem 200 Endurance Drone Race. For the second year in a row, Acadiana FPV, a MultiGP Tier 1 chapter, has hosted this race down in the South Bayous of Louisiana. The Mayhem 200 isn't your ordinary drone race. This is an enduro of 200 laps that will award the best team strategy and of course those fast pits. Each team has up to 5 members comprising of spotters, pilots, and a team captain. This is gonna get wild, so let's get started by meeting some of these teams.
We have been practicing all week, doing team heats and just going through it. We did 200 laps probably this week, just practicing.
We practice our change-offs because that's a really big part of this race, is doing the pit stop and getting in and back out quickly, and then really just practice not crashing, because that's the key to today for sure, is not crashing.
Restock hand here, EVP of Video Productions, Adrian, the madman behind all the live streams. We just got a really cool camera from PTZ Optics. What PTZ stands for is Pan Tilt Zoom, and it's a robotic camera, so we're gonna put it out in the field and we'll really try to step up our live streaming game. It's really unique because it has a 20x zoom with an NDI protocol. I don't know what NDI is, but that guy does. So we'll go talk to him.
It's a pan tilt zoom camera from PTZ Optics, but everything's PoE, so it all works over one Ethernet cable for power, video, and control. So it's the first time we're using it, so we'll see how it goes.
All right guys, arm your quads. We're gonna go on my tone. Beep. Let's go, go, go.